Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today I will be showing you how I silk press and curl very thick 4C hair. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. Okay, so first getting started, you want to use a nice silk press oil. I'm using the Cantu, and it really doesn't matter. You can use Chi. There's about 3 or 4 silk press oils on the market. And the reason why we go with this is because the oil is very light. It will not weigh the hair down, but it still gives it that nice shine, especially while gliding the flat iron down the shaft of the hair. Also, when using the oil, you only need a dime size amount. I used a little bit more because, as you see, her hair is very thick. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just part her hair out. And what I usually do is part it out, and I will give it one pass and then curl. But because her hair is very thick, I am going to silk press 2 to 3 layers, usually 2. And I'm just going to go ahead and do one pass. And like I said, I try to only do one pass on my client to preserve their natural hair curl pattern. If I do go over the hair, it will only pass in like certain spots where I see that I've missed it, but I try not to miss it, so I just do the one pass. Now my clients whose hair isn't that thick, or they're 3C, or they might be 4C, but their hair just isn't that thick, I will do a one pass curl. Like, I'm only going to do it in one step. I'm not going to just flat iron it first and then curl it. But when somebody's hair is as thick as this, you kind of have to flat iron it first and then go back in and curl. So now I'm just doing the second layer. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron her second layer, and we're just going to flat iron that straight. Now, a lot of my clients ask me, I have expensive flat irons and I still can't get my hair as straight as you get it. People, it's all about the tension. When doing a flat iron, it's all about the tension. See, you have to hold the hair very firmly, and then you go ahead and glide your flat iron down while you hold the hair. Then towards the end, I grip the ends of my flat iron to make sure that the hair is very straight. It's all about practice, and it's all about tension. Take the hair, hold it firmly, and pull the flat iron down. I say it's simple, but my clients can't get it. I understand. I've been doing hair for over 20 years, so it does take a little practice. All right, so once I have flat ironed my 2 layers, I'm going to go right in and just put a little bump of a curl on the end. And I just take my flat iron and simply roll it around in a circle till I get that all the ends in there and make a little curl on the end. She's just gonna have loose curls on her ends. So at that bottom layer, I just do like a very slight curl on her bottom. Like I said, take it, roll it around, and it'll give me just a nice loose curl right on the ends. As I go up a little higher, I'll use more curl. All right, so next we're going to continue with the flat iron of 2 layers, going all the way until we get all the way up. And like I said, I am going to do a bigger curl, as you will see in just a minute. So instead of doing just that little bitty curl, now I'm going to take about 2 ringlets going up, and as I go up, it'll be 3 ringlets. Then on that top layer, I'll do 4 ringlets. But this one, I'm just gonna circle it around maybe 2 or 3 times, and that'll give me 2 nice loose ringlets. And just release the flat iron just like that. And as I get to the top, I'm gonna do the 4 ringlets. And basically 4 ringlets, you start curling 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 turn revolutions on the flat iron will give you 4 ringlets. Go ahead and roll it back up to where you started. And for thick hair, you might want to hold it a little bit longer. If your hair is not that thick, you don't have to hold it that long. And I'm going to just go ahead and release. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. If you have any questions about what I did, what products I used, go ahead and put that down in the comment section and I will answer it. I want to thank you guys for watching. don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe, like, and comment. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.